Live podcast recording here at the Linya Linya headquarters.
You guys sound like you haven't had coffee. So,
Yeah.
start na ba?
Okay.
Ano yung announcement about the coffee first?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala, okay.
I think eye contact na lang kayo.
Parang
Kape.
parang sabay-sabay ata dadalhin lahat ng...
I think,
Ellie, what are we serving now?
Caramel macchiato. Sino nag-caramel macchiato?
Sino yung mga caramel
Okay,
macchiato?
give it like maybe 3 minutes. 3 minutes-ish.
Yeah.
Tingin na lang kayo doon.
Ito
I
pala
think
yung...
sobrang daming pat today. Sinong pat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5? Wow. That's a lot of pats. Okay.
Okay. So, first of all, before we start, what we wanted to do was to really do an actual...
We did not think this through. There's a
An
coffee
actual,
grinder back there. Hindi naman yan. Let's pretend it's not happening.
Hindi, pero an actual live pod. And ang usual live pod talaga namin is ganito. But the difference is because you guys paid, we made a script.
Yeah.
So we have an outline.
Wow.
We have a
We're
script.
growing up. Snaps for us.
My script.
Outline. Oy.
And I just want to remind everyone you guys have 2 shirts.
Yes.
Apa?
2 shirts.
2 shirts.
Kape-kape.
Kape-kape.
And
Sino na nakatry? Sarap, no?
sarap, diba?
Legit.
Legit.
Hindi ako sold.
hindi kasi. First time ko na try itong Spanish latte.
Sarap lang. Ano? Franchise? You can go to Angelo for franchising. Angelo, taas kamay for franchising daw. Tapusin daw muna. Tingnan muna kung tutuloy pa natin daw. But anyway, can we start again? Para we
Sige,
can
sure.
do the pod na
Okay,
para to
sige.
the recording.
Alright.
Para sa mga lahat ng wala dito.
Ano?
Okay.
No, actually, I wanna keep that para ma-FOMO sila.
Sige. Okay. So anyway,
Keep that in the recording.
we want to start first the pod. Before we go into the pod, we want to thank the Wake Up team, which
Yes.
is AV.
AV.
That's AV, Chassis Univ Pres. Univ Pres. Want to thank AV. We want to thank the whole Linya Linya team. Kape Kape and si Ellie and si Clara. Thank you, Clara, for helping out. That's Sab's
may applause
beautiful
talaga.
sister. And of course, the Pod Kids. And sino dito Podron?
Podrons. Yay!
Yay! Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, Podrons.
So, para magawa talaga yung totoong essence of...
Stop it!
Yung totoong essence of the podcast, the original origin of the pod was, it was supposed to be called The Complainers.
Yeah.
Diba?
We were. Kasi parang na-realize namin na we would just always complain about stuff. And so we're like, it would be a fun podcast to just complain. Actually, may podcast na yun na parang ganun yung premise. It's a US podcast. Ano yung pangalan? Clara, anong pangalan ng podcast na yun? I've had it. Have you heard of that? It's like a famous podcast. Wala lang, parang nauna naman kami sa idea na yun eh.
No.
But ours is called The Complainers.
So, may mga, to honor yung origin of that pod, we made a list of random stuff
We
that
wanna
we want to complain about. And we want to get your real-time reaction.
And agree or disagree. Yeah?
So
Feel free to boo us.
So kung agree, we need to hear from you. Okay? So number 1, gourmet chocolates na nasa mga box. Yung may mga heart, yung mga...
How do you feel about that? Huh? Parang kukuha ka, diba? It's parang, oh, chocolate. Biglang, orange.
Ganon. Ganon, diba?
Grapefruit.
Ganon. Exactly.
Sobrang, oh,
I don't...
orange and chocolate. Why?
Yeah. Why?
Why? Has that happened to you? Diba? Parang, my gosh, yay, chocolate. Parang it betrays you.
Oh.
It's like meeting someone na parang, oh my gosh, cutie, biglang sobrang sama ng asim ng loob. It's not
Sobra.
nice.
As in, and I think the weird thing is, mahal yung mga yun. Right? When you, pag Christmas, like when you get these things, parang, I'm never like, oh my God, gourmet chocolates. Yes.
To be fair, merong mga ganon na okay.
Like what?
There's a Marks and Spencer.
Is there one na you're like, oh my God, I'm super
No, but
craving. I need.
No, but I would be
That
okay
one-
to receive it as a gift. Yeah.
Really?
Oh.
So ako parang 1 out of 15.
Basta walang orange, okay lang.
Yun nga yung nakakainis eh. You get that thing, tas may mga heart, may mga rainbow, and 1 out of the 15 pieces lang yung masarap. I mean, hindi nga masarap eh. You won't even go
Okay
like,
lang.
you won't even go like, oh my God.
But it's like, that's what Forrest Gump says, right? Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know which one you're gonna get.
But that was in 1992 eh. Well, I'm in 1993. I mean, gets, diba?
Yeah, parang siguro
Ang
ano.
dami-dami ng options ngayon. Ang dami-dami ng customization. I don't understand why we are putting the enjoyment of chocolate in the hands of mga rich.
I mean, you don't have to buy it, Jim.
Pero
Let people enjoy things.
parang na-imagine ko kasi
Bakit ko
like,
gonna defend?
parang na-imagine ko kasi like sila MVP, like parang magandang Christmas gift. Ganun. Ito, chocolates.
Basta mahal.
Basta mahal.
Parang soft, parang shell.
Shell. Yeah, burat yung mga shell. Eh. Sorry.
Okay, moving on. Next.
No. Hindi
No,
ganun
I
gagalit.
feel like we connected with the surprise orange thing.
Yun
Ano ba
bad
yung
trip.
mga passion fruit?
I
ganun?
need to ask, is there one person here that likes the
Who
orange
likes it?
chocolate thing?
Ayun!
Wow.
Very
What's your
brave,
name?
guys. Very brave.
Alsen.
Ano yun?
No,
Mahal
no.
yun, no?
She like knit it. That's her name.
Akala ko brand. Okay, got it.
Second, sidewalks.
Sidewalks.
Sidewalks. Bakit ba? Parang sidewalks, I think, is like the love letter of our government to us saying, we literally do not care about you. Diba?
Or parang, oh, ito konti. Oops. May post na sa
Ah.
gitna.
Yan. Yan.
Oh, sige na nga. Oo.
Ah.
Matapilok ka.
A classic example of that is a lot of people pala are doing the walk from yung Mandaluyong Bridge to BGC.
Kalayaan Bridge,
Mga
guys.
takbonatics. Takbonatics. Sino dito ang takbonatics?
Si Manny lang, si
Nico
Manny.
lang. So, apparently, yung mga takbonatics, they run from Ortigas to BGC. There's a flyover there. Na apparently, there's a sidewalk. And that sidewalk is like,
Okay siya sa start, di ba?
maganda, malawak.
Bago
Going-
lang yung bridge eh.
Parang, wow, from Ortigas to BGC, I can walk. That's
Yeah.
so awesome. Tapos bigla na lang magkakaroon ng section na, ay, tangina mo. Parang biglang, like literally, like, you have to balance beam it.
Yeah. And then, di ba, it ends with parang an open, like you could walk to your death or something. Di ba? Parang bukas siya.
Medyo.
Di ba?
Hmm.
I don't know. It's wild.
Okay. Not much for sidewalks. Okay.
Yeah.
This one. Bakit ba walang consolidated app for restaurant reviews?
Locally.
Locally.
Do you guys use any to check? Like, how
What do you guys use?
May I know, how do you find out kung
Kung
ano
masarap
yung
or not, ano yung reviews?
TikTok?
TikTok.
Zomato dati. Sa States may Yelp, di ba?
TikTok, what else? Anything?
Mga pero
Google.
yung TikTok, kailangan parang trusted mo yung TikToker. Ganon.
Kasi, again,
Google review.
so like last night, nabudol, muntikan na ako, muntikan na
Don't
kami.
name it, Wag mo na.
Yeah, I won't. Muntikan na kami mabudol ni Sab. On my IG Reels, may parang, dito may only steak. Ganun. Parang, ito,
Unlisted.
only steak, ribeye, mashed potatoes. Ganyan, parang solid siya. Ganyan. So ako like, Looks good.
Hindi yan, hindi yan.
So, nag-ano kami. Did you say stoned steak?
yeah. Sobrang mahal na, no?
Mahal talaga dun.
I've never tried it.
Really?
It's not.
Ako
Hindi
parang,
kami nagsabi na na.
but I have seen it. It's just there, right? Tapos parang, bakit ba kailangan lahat lang ilagay sa bato? I mean, like, right? Why?
Well, when you say lahat, like what else?
Ang linalagay sa bato?
Oh.
Steak.
Ano pa?
Yung mga may flour, ganun. May flour, parang,
Sa bato?
yeah, it's always naman bato, flour, and the food.
Ah.
May mga petal na.
You mean yung plating?
Yung plating.
Okay, got
I
it.
have nothing against plating, okay? Ang point ko lang naman siguro is like, parang, what prompted people to say like, tangina, gusto ko bato. Yung restaurant natin, bato. Puro bato dito. Gets ko kung talagang bato aficionado yung owner.
Labo.
Man.
Ano? Gyukat. Gyukatsu.
There's a major difference, okay? Kasi at least yung sa Japan, they're like, oh, we respect the stones or whatever. Parang,
Jay, that's
Why?
borderline. Stop it.
what?
What?
No, because
Jay,
they're
we're calling
very-
you out. Stop it.
I'm watching Shogun. Okay, so
You gotta stop it.
anyway.
Okay, moving on. Okay.
So tama, mukhang ganun na nga IG Reels. Pero and you have to follow someone specifically, right? Like you have to like this person and this person is credible. Kaya yung mga who are getting into that, ang advice namin, don't ruin your credibility. Habang walang consolidated thing now.
Mm.
Kasi parang bookie, yun doon ako lahat, nakakainis eh.
Wala na ba yun?
Here. Can you believe this? Nung naghahanap kami ni Sab ng mga impromptu date, lagi, ang nasa top date places, Mary Grace.
Sarap naman eh.
I mean,
Pero hindi siya parang romance vibes.
and hindi siya, it doesn't, hindi niya ginagawa yung what it's supposed to do.
Si Jim is so against TripAdvisor.
Sa other country.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway.
Next.
Okay.
Ito, okay. I keep getting targeted kasi sa Facebook nung kay Sydney Sweeney.
The Glenn Powell movie?
Yeah.
Anyone But You?
Yeah. Who watched that?
How was it? How was
Basta.
it? Traditional rom-com from before. So, meet cute, ganon. Catchy music.
Avi, how old are you?
26.
Okay. So, you are way too young. I will do a medyo magbo-boomer mode ako. Okay?
Let's see who, sinong ka-age namin? 35, 36,
No one?
40,
Okay.
35, 34, 32 and below. 20, 30 to 32. My God, so 20s.
Puro 20s. Okay.
Okay. Love it.
So, the golden age of rom-com was Sleepless in Seattle.
I never watched that.
When Harry Met Sally.
I watched that. Hugh
Hugh
Grant.
Grant.
Kasi
9
he
months.
canceled. Lahat sila.
9 months.
What's 9 months?
Hugh Grant.
Ah,
And Julianne Moore. Julianne Moore was in a rom-com.
June.
Anyway,
She's hot.
ang point ko is, parang pwede ba? Like,
What about when we were in between those and the ones now? Yung mga 10 things I hate about you.
yeah. And things I hate about you, Clueless.
I love it.
Ah,
I
Clueless
hate
was
it
in
when
a
you
Clueless was in a rom-com.
Clueless is like weird, but
Not a rom-com.
it's the best though.
But anyway, ang point ko is like, Glenn, please.
Glenn Powell,
can
cute
we not
naman si
make
Glenn
him a
Powell.
thing?
Why?
He is... Ganito guys. I
Saan
would
ba
like
siya galing? Saan siya galing?
Top Gun,
Uy, gusto ko siya doon. Siya yung kalaban, di ba?
Kalaban.
Kalaban. Kalaban.
I would say Glenn Powell. Okay. Parang there are two things that destroy my zen. Glenn Powell
Why?
and that grinding.
And ano?
The grinding.
That grand.
I'm kidding. So,
Kilala mo si Barry Keoghan?
yeah. Si Saltburn.
You know who he's dating now? Sabrina Carpenter. Any Sabrina Carpenter stands here? Yes, I am obsessed. As in, like, all the way, I met her last week. I am all in. Absolutely love her. And I made Jim listen to her stuff kanina. Sobrang pinilit ko siya na, papakinggan mo to Tapos ako, think about me. No. Ganda, no? Tapos he was like, okay naman. So ako, ba't di mo gusto? Ba't di mo love? Asar ako. But anyway, yeah, Barry Keoghan is dating Sabrina Carpenter.
Okay.
And then a lot of people are like, stop trying to force us to think that Barry Keoghan is hot.
It's a thing.
Same way that people are also very against the Bear actor. What's his name? Jeremy Allen White. People are like, why are we being gaslit into thinking he's cute? But I think he's cute. Right?
He's cute. I'd rather stand... Hindi. The thing is kasi, si Glenn Powell, if you watched it, I don't know why.
Siya kasi cookie cutter pretty siya si Glenn Powell. That's what I'm saying.
But he's so corny. You know why?
You didn't even watch the rom-com.
Hindi. The reason why is, for some reason, na-try ko yung men's... I don't know if you've seen Men's Health, What's in My Fridge.
No, this is so just you.
No one?
No one can relate. I've never heard of that. What's in
Nico?
my fridge?
No?
Ali? No. What's in my fridge?
What's in My Fridge, Men's Health? Wala? My God.
Vogue,
Manny.
get ready with me. Skincare.
Men's Health,
What's in my fridge?
Fridge?
No.
No?
Okay, so
Anyway.
So it's parang getting to know their diet.
It's a corny segment by Men's Health that's so commercial, and like they go to their house and like, what's in my ref? I have water. I have water. I have fruits. I have whatever. Tapos tutong Glenn Powell, sobrang corny.
Why?
He's just so fucking corny. So anyway,
Well, it's a corny segment.
next.
Ano yung laman ng fridge niya? Don't leave us hanging.
Mga protein. It's yun naman ang lahat lang sinasabi ng lahat.
Okay.
Pero this guy talaga is like so corny.
Why? Parang ano? What do you mean? Like, wala siyang personality, ganun?
So parang it's just so corny.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
Poor
Ito.
Glenn Powell.
Another complaint. Algorithms. Pwede ba? Ang dami-dami nagbabago sa mundo. Pwede ba? Parang to Zuckerberg and to parang pwede ba like just,
No.
can you just, parang the world is so fucking messed up. Can you
Yeah.
just go from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m.?
Ano yung sabihin nun?
Hindi, kasi di ba yung before, in the golden age of social media.
Chronological. Yung posting.
Yeah, like,
Don't we just want
like
that?
Sab just woke up.
Do you
right?
know that you can do that? You can choose to do that. I'll
Ano?
teach you right now. You go on Instagram and then you click the upper left. Wait, that's yung Instagram mo. Instagram. You go on Instagram, click mo yung upper left, the one that says Instagram, then click following. And then you're gonna do the old school thing, chronological. Astig, no? Na lang.
Okay.
Now you know.
All right. Next. So last night, we were at
The podium.
Podium.
Is it the podium? Just podium. The podium.
The?
Podium.
The podium lang.
Parang, di ba the?
The podium. Okay.
Ja podium.
Yeah. So we were at Mamu Prime. We ended up there and we had a good date. As in fairness talaga. Ako, I love Mamu.
You will die on that hill.
I love it.
Yeah.
Parang walang pretension. And masarap every time. People are cool. People are nice.
Yeah.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. Truffle pasta?
Travel, okay lang. So anyway, we were there. And for some reason, you would be surprised na we heard,
Sabi niya?
parang may narinig kami, we heard,
Sa other table.
parang sobrang lakas na, okay.
Oo.
Like that.
Sabi niya, parang anak ng poke.
Anak ng puke. So anyway. And then
It was a group of
Sab wrote here, grocery.
Ano sabihin no?
You told me to write this.
Yeah. Grocery. Okay. This happened to me yesterday. Kwento ko lang sa inyo. Hindi ko alam kung, thank God na parang very zen ako. Hindi ako kay Glenn Powell. So kahapon, nag-grocery ako. So she rang up the numbers. This is the usual place that I do my groceries. And then she tells me the total. And then I said, okay, GCash. Ano ba? Offline yung GCash. Tapos ako, sabi ko, hindi mo sinabi. Tapos sobrang bilis niya. I think she was having a bad day. She's like, hindi ka naman po alam na mag-GCash kayo eh. Tapos thank you Lord. Kasi I would have been like, excuse me, I would have been a Karen. But I said, okay, baka next time bago nyo i-ring yung orders, baka tanong nyo lang yung mode of payment. Totoo naman, di ba? Am I crazy?
Yeah.
Di ba? Na parang, na-swipe mo na. Paano kung wala talaga? Tapos I said, kasi lahat ngayon naka-Gcash eh. So, alam mo yun.
Parang dun sa Rocky Mountain ba yun? Ano yung ice cream?
Chocolate Factory.
Chocolate Mountain.
Chocolate Factory.
Angelo, what's the name of that?
Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory.
Rocky Mountain Chocolate thing. Okay. By the way, guys, may coffee break.
Coffee break.
Let's say hi to Rach.
Hi, Rach.
Newly engaged Rach.
Woo! Yan ang mahilig sa Spanish latte.
Spanish latte? Who ordered Spanish latte?
Yes. Yan si Rach, mahilig sa bato yan. Laki ng bato sa kamay, oh. Parang mali ata yung tunog nun, no? Iba pala yung ibig sabihin.
Malaking bato ni Ali. Why?
Okay, anyway.
So if you guys want Spanish latte, please lapitan nyo lang si Rach. Medyo
I think may names yung
may names ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we want them to just go there? Or?
I think they're gonna go around.
Okay,
Rach is
ikot.
Thanks, Rach. Love you.
Thank you, Rach.
Buti talaga, nalagyan,
talaga.
put a ring on it. Good job, Ali. The best. Okay.
Ito. So I wrote here branding.
What does that mean?
Okay. What I want to ask the pod kids is, what are products na you were so like, it caught your attention, you got excited, you got it, tas branding lang pala. My experience was Aquazorb.
Bakit? Gusto ko yung Aquazorb.
I think for the past 10 years, I've seen an Aquazorb in every mall I've gone to.
Parang I've only seen it in Shang.
Ako hindi. Every segment of the mall, may Aquazorb.
Do you guys know Aquazorb?
You guys...
with a Z.
You don't know what Aquazorb is?
Aquazorb. Yes? No. It's anong tawag sa talang yun?
Microfiber. Towel. Yung mga towel. Mga towel na sinasabi na ng towel, basically. And then the way they market it is like...
Glen Towel.
The way they market the towel is like it's microfiber or something like that. Na it'll absorb, kaya Aquazorb.
Yeah.
There's a Z. So
Aquabsorb.
yeah, so the Z, you automatically assume. If you put a Z on anything, you assume
You assume.
na there's strength, there's...
If you put a Z.
Diba? Like, kaya that's why you say Z. Kasi tulog na tulog ka.
Labo.
I mean, ganun.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, if I say, guys, I have guns here. Versus, guys, meron akong guns.
Gets ko. Parang iba yung vibes sa vibes.
Oh, yeah. Vibes sa vibes.
Vibes.
Diba? Or, Ano pa? Not
Hindi ko
much
alam.
examples of
Yeah,
that. Pero anyway, like kunwari ito, sorry, medyo, like, it doesn't keep it cold. I asked Ali, tinanong ko si Ali, sabi ko, Ali, ganong katagal magiging malamig yung tubig ko? Gusto ko kasi 1 whole day, 2 days, same temperature. It's not. In fair to, ano yun?
Clean canteen.
Clean canteen, iwan mo siya kahit in this weather, iwan mo sa kotse, malamig pa rin.
Fairness. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ano?
Ito, sabi.
Last na ba to? Last.
Yeah,
Okay.
last 2.
How do you guys feel about books? Any book lovers? Yes. Woo! Book lovers. How do you feel? Ako na may nagpapatugtog ng music. Joke lang. Just kidding. How do you feel about kuwari, let's pretend anyone but you ba yung title ng movie?
Yeah.
Let's pretend that was it a book?
Hindi.
No?
I
Let's pretend it was a book.
doubt anyone would have been like, oh my God, I'm so game to write.
How do you
anyone.
feel about books that use movie covers as the cover? Kainis, diba?
Tamad.
Parang, kumari, mag-release siya ng sobrang, it's super good book design. Biglang yung next edition niya, it's like the actors. Parang, I don't want that on my bookshelf.
Ako
I don't
medyo,
know.
before, when I was a kid, it seemed cool.
I guess. Wala lang.
Yeah.
Something.
Okay.
Parang may galit na natin sa atin. Yung kape-kape. Joke lang. Joke lang. Go ahead, joke lang.
Last. So last night, sabi na galit na galit ka dyan. Last night, sabi na made a mistake of, we had a bottle of wine. And because we are parents and we don't get to drink that often, mabilis kami mabasag. So lasing kami sa podium. Okay?
Hindi naman.
I would say lasing dahil sa
Just a
podium.
little bit tipsy.
I was drunk.
And it was like 9 p.m.
So 9 p.m., it was so, mas maliwanag pa kaysa dito. And it's so hard to be drunk in podium.
We weren't drunk.
We were drunk.
Of course not.
We were drunk.
We met a pod kid there. I think and kakarinig lang niya, Althea, her
Yeah.
name. She was so sweet. So we could ask her, were we drunk? We were not drunk.
Oo nga
We had a
naman.
conversation with her.
Oo nga pala. Anyway, I guess my question is, apparently, since you guys are, apparently,
Nag-order tayo ng ice cream, diba, sa pharmacy.
yeah.
Nakakatawa si Jim. Sabi ko, sa pharmacy na lang tayo kumuha ng dessert. Siya, pharmacy? Because there's a ice cream brand called Pharmacy with an
Yeah.
F.
And,
That's what, as I was ordering, I was like, bakit? May mga alak dito. Tapos, parang hindi daw lasing na. May mga alak dito.
yeah.
Tapos, kasi pharmacy is owned by Wildflower. And then, apparently, Wildflower serves alcohol. Parang hard drinks, ha? Tapos, I think you were...
Yeah, kasi
asking-
apparently, yung wildflower sa Rockwell, tugs. Do you guys know that? It is, right? Tugs. As in, may mga sumusuka doon. In wildflower. Isn't that insane?
It's pretty insane.
It's pretty insane.
Punta
like-
tayo maya. Labo.
Ugh.
Big fuzz na lang. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so ito.
Okay. Wag na yan.
Wag na? Okay. So, we are going into... This na ba?
Yeah.
Ito or yung... Yeah.
Okay, so just for the recording, hey pod kids, this one, I don't think we're uploading this for you guys. This is just for the people here live
Ganun ba?
and the podtrons.
Okay, bahala na.
Love you, bye.